All right, I'm the Flat Rate Masters, and Milwaukee's M12 battery system is getting a huge upgrade. So at Milwaukee Pipeline event this year, they announced new batteries for the M12 system. Now for us, some of the features they talked about a lot are the improved heat capacity of the batteries. They don't get as hot. They've changed the cells themselves, so they don't get as hot. So if you're drilling and you're in that environment, the batteries don't, get overheated too fast and the tool doesn't shut down and have to swap batteries, which is awesome. Now those features probably less important for us in this field, doing what we do, but might come in handy for like die grinders and stuff like that because, well, those do get used a good bit. So pretty cool. But here's the big thing about the new batteries. They've changed the case. They've added chemical resistant housing, so should stand up much better in the shop environment with brake clean, brake fluid. They tested extensively with chemicals like that. They also reinforced the latch mechanism, which is awesome because that's the probably biggest complaint about the M12 is the case itself, the battery case itself. So that's really awesome. So didn't get an exact date if I remember. If I remember, I'll put it here. If it's in the media packet, I will put it in the video, but those should be debuting and well, that's just awesome. Finally, some, better solutions for the batteries, break-in and that kind of stuff. So look for those. I'll be putting them to the test as soon as I get my dirty little hands on them, and we'll see how they do in the real world. Like I said, the heat thing probably for us, longer run times, cool. Longer capacity of the batteries are cool, but the big thing is the redesigned latch mechanism. That is going to be awesome if it works. We'll see when, I get to touch them and play with them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.